YouTube? Hi, I'm Poofoo, and I'm here today to tell you about my little love called Poshmark. And guess what? So you can see by my little friend here, it's prom season. And that also means Poshmark just came out with a new market in the marketplace for prom dresses. So I want to tell you today some tips on how to make money on Poshmark and some tips on how to get rid of all those old dresses. So let's get started. I have been a seller on Poshmark since 2014. I love the app. I like the app a lot because it's not a set it and forget it app like the other platforms are. This one you have to constantly be on your closet, sharing, listing, interacting with other people, buyers and sellers, because I like to shop on Poshmark too. I mean, how do you not like to shop? Anyways, so I want to tell you some tips about prom season and what we should do here. Go through your closet. I'm a mom of 2 boys. I have a little girl, but their girlfriends each have like 4 or 5 different prom dresses and formal dresses from different occasions through high school. They just brought me a big tub of prom dresses. Plus, I went looking at Goodwill and found ones from Macy's brand new with tags for $5. Shop your area, list them. Now is the time. Poshmark was awesome by putting out the Posh Marketplace for this. And this is my first sponsored video. It's being sponsored by Poshmark because I love this platform. I genuinely do. I'm really excited that they brought this new marketplace. I have a lot of formal dresses because I have been a seller since 2014. All of my friends and my children's friends know that I sell, so I'm constantly getting things to sell for them. So that's tip number 1. Talk to your friends and family. 9 times out of 10, they'll either just give it to you for free or start your own consignment. You list on Poshmark and you split it with your friend. You make money, they make money, everybody's happy. And if it's prom season for them too, they get to take that money and go shopping with it on either the app or out in town. Second, list. It is really important when you list on Poshmark to be very descriptive. Take as good photos as you can. Everybody's got to start from somewhere. Not everybody starts out with a mannequin. I didn't. I just got a whole set of mannequins, and I've been on here since 2014. You can do flat lays. You can hang with a hanger. You do what you got and work your way up. It's so much fun. It's more than a hobby for me. It's a lifestyle for me. I posh every day. I also work every day. Anybody can posh. I have 4 kids. So if I can do it, you can do it. Another great tip, free shipping supplies. You can go online and get free shipping supplies from USPS for Poshmark. You can use any priority mailbox for Poshmark. You can also go anywhere and get free boxes. Dollar Tree is another great place to get free boxes. They're always putting out new stock. So you want to keep your costs as low as possible so that you can make some good profit and go shopping on Poshmark too. Sellers like to shop from other sellers. You know, you do have fun, work and play. It's the best of both worlds. Invest in yourself. If you have the time, invest in a mannequin. Invest, in a light kit. Or with the beach season coming up, you know it's time for sandals, it's time for prom shoes. Invest in little feet to put in the shoes that you want to sell. It helps the buyer. Remember, you're once were a buyer and you are a buyer. So enjoy Poshmark. It's fun, it's interactive, and it's social. That's my next tip. It is social. You have to be active on Poshmark. You should list 5 items a day at minimum if you can. But if you can't list 5 items a day, make sure you're active in the parties. Interact with other Poshmarkers. My best tip when it comes to parties is congratulate people that get host picks. You get so much Posh love back from people. It is worth the time you spend to say congratulations on your host pick. It brings me joy to do Poshmark, and I know it'll bring you joy too, and fatten our pocketbooks. So why don't you join me over on Poshmark in the link below, and let's get started in this fun today. Enough wasting time. Let's go make some money. I'll see you over on Poshmark.